Welcome guys. It's your boy again, NOEL FOREX over here. And yeah, today we'll be looking at NAS100. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe and like, comment, share the content. So yeah, guys, looking at NAS100, we're on the 4-hour chart. So guys, before you do anything to NAS100, I would prefer that guys you move from a higher time frame. You see, yeah, you move from a higher time frame, then after from a higher time frame, then you can see your entries, who is going where, what or whatsoever, you see guys. So yeah, here with the naked eye, you see, yeah, the naked eye here, I can see a head and shoulder. Like, let me show you the shoulder, what I'm talking about. Here's the right shoulder that I'm talking about. This is the head, and now it's from this side and down to the all time low over here. So guys, what I would do personally to execute this trade, here it's a double bottom. You can see it's a double bottom over here. Never mind, we're analyzing on the cell phone, so we start low. So guys, I can see this is my lowest low over here. You see, this is my lowest low over here, and then here is my highest high over here. I can see it's a head, it's a reverse head and shoulder, guys. See, so yeah, then I would identify when NAS100 has previously like retraced or like turned back in a way. So yeah, guys, as I am showing you these strategies, this is free content over here. So then we mark for key level market structures. You see, key level market structures over here. Make sure it caters for, like, you see, it should be neat in a way. So yeah, guys, as you can see here, so what I can propose now, I can see a bullish trend. I want to show you something. There's a difference between entering premature entries and risky entries. Then from here I can clone it, and after cloning this, I put it to this other half here, to this other half over here, here, there, to confirm that it is in a bullish movement. I can see though. So yeah, guys, you can see. Then we're on daily chart. Then let's move to 4-hour chart and let's see what the market has presented for us. Then okay, as I told you, it's a reverse head and shoulder going to this low over here. So you know, I like entering safe entries. In, by the way, you see, safe entries meaning I don't want to enter premature entries. Get what I mean? So here I can see it's forming a bullish movement. Look at how I can construct a trend over here. Can construct a trend over here. You see, here we were going bullish all the way to this upside. You see, we're going all the way to this upside here, upside. Then we broke, then did a retest down to this low. Then here I can mark another low of the day. No, not a low as such, but I can confirm that it went down, retested, meaning that it repeated the same high that it did over here. And as I said, NAS100 likes to repeat patterns to go to the downside. So what we're expecting is more sellers in the coming trades. So I'm expecting NAS100 to drop, like to literally drop all the way to the downside. So what I can see over here is that NAS100 is constructing a bearish move. Look at this, a bearish move inside a bullish trend. So what I can see over here, it's a head and shoulder, yes, but I'm not accusing the market in any way. So what I can say over here is that I can see a bearish trend inside a bullish trend. You see, I don't want to confuse you guys and put a lot of things on my chart, but I hope you just see what I'm trying to show you over here. So yeah, let me remove this one. So you can see that every time the market, it did a break. When we had this line over here, it did a breakout, retested on this level, then sold to this line, to this downside, then came again, did a retest over here, confirming that this area is very sensitive. We call it the area of sensitivity, meaning that the market repeats itself over here. Then we did a break again. I mean, we went to the downside, meaning that overall we did a breakout, retested over here. So we're looking for more sellers. In order for me to see or to enter my trades, I can see that it's a reverse head and shoulder over here, and then now it did a breakout retest on this sensitive area of this right shoulder, and now it's making a left shoulder, meaning what's done on the left should be done on the right. So meaning my entries will be here for sellers from here all the way to the downside. So I want to show you something, guys. You see, I want to show you something over here. My first target, my first take profit will be somewhere around this area, this area over here, this area over here. Then my second target would be there. So meaning this is my market structure over here. I've seen what the NAS100 is doing to me and how I can confirm my entries. But now I'm waiting for the market to finish its momentum over here. Like it's playing with a lot of traders. It's confirming that it's going to the downside. Then here, you see. So I mean, I'm waiting for this break. I'm waiting for this break, meaning from there to this level, it's doing a breakout retest. I'm not saying that it's going to follow exactly as I am showing you guys, but this is my anticipation of NAS100. You see, what's done on the left should be done on the right. That's how the market moves, especially when you're trading indices. I trade indices and currencies, like everything, you see, guys. But you have to know which are your basic and what's your what you're best at. You see, you see, guys. So yeah, here's my lowest low over here. You see, or the all-time daily low is that target over there. So I can easily magnify it and say, okay, for this time I'll be catering for these levels, these type of levels over here, these levels over here, these levels over here. And then here I saw a double top, meaning that I will confirm this level is a very sensitive area, because it's a double bottom. And NAS100 has a tendency of doing retracements. You see, like retracing back to the trades, to the highs, not the trades though, to the highs that it previously touched. So yeah, guys, as you can see, yeah, this is the setup that I would be waiting on. And every time you can see, every time I say that at support we buy, at resistance we sell. So this is the trend that I came up with. This is the trend. And mind you, I'm on a 4-hour time frame, as long as you know what you're doing. So I am waiting for the market to show me that it's not going to break this area of sensitivity over here. This area of sensitivity, this area. If it breaks, this area of sensitivity, I'll be looking for what? For further buys. And my further buys would be all the way to the to this to this high over here, to this high over there, high over there, there. That's my anticipation. But for now, I'm waiting for NAS100 to come to the previous low, like to the previous low, as I mentioned in my YouTube channel and what I've mentioned previously. So guys, NAS100, my first TP will be at 1540.86. So that's my first TP, that's my first take profit, and then my stop loss will be tightly over there at 164671.84. Then from there we execute. But once the market pushes to this side, I'm going to wait. I'm only going to enter in a bearish candlestick, not in a bullish candlestick. That's why you see most of my entries, you could say that they are sniper entries, but it's due to the fact that I'm using what I'm just applying my basic structure, you see. And then if another trader missed this trade, this type of trade, I can also give out a signal over here. Here, you see how easy it is. But the more the repetition, the more you do it, the easier it is to you. So if other people didn't get the signal of NAS100, I can do this. I can go to this high here, then it would trigger my entry. You see, I would use pending orders. Then it does a breakout retest. You see, it does break, then comes back as a retest, and then it shorts all the way to the downside. So meaning that my target will be high. You see, my target will be high. You see, there's my target over here. My target will be down to this low over here. So yeah guys, I hope you're inspired, and this is how we execute NAS100 as traders. And like, it's easy on how you can see market levels. And what I can the best advice that I would give to people is that just learn how to trade. If you learn how to trade, it will be easier for you to analyze as us. Like, look at this. We analyzed for like, I think for like 12 minutes, and then from there you execute your trades just like that. So guys, I hope you're inspired, and yeah, this is your boy NOEL FOREX. Don't forget to subscribe and share, like, share, comment, and yeah, reach out to other people who are struggling to trade. I've made this YouTube channel to empower other people, like especially people in general who are struggling. You see, it's not, forex is not for people who are only struggling, but people in general who wants passive income, I can say, and people who just want like to discipline themselves. But what I can say, forex is based on what you put in. What you put in is what you get, and what you get is what you have put in, you see. So yeah guys, I hope you're inspired. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. This is your from your boy NOEL FOREX over here. So yeah, thank you.